domestic petrochemical industry is the Turkmenbashi complex of oil refineries. This complex is also implementing a number of major investment projects which will increase...
Turkmenistan's natural gas to China is very important. For pipeline gas, Turkmenistan's supply takes up 70%. That's a huge amount. This helps us defending our blue sky project. That's very important. And this makes Chinese people feel very happy because of your support and help. China's natural gas demand increased quite a lot. The most vibrant one, first, is LNG. Second is our domestic production, natural gas production. Third is pipeline export, importation. So I think we need to find a way to enlarge our cooperation. So we need to produce more, and then you can export more. So by TAPI, you can send natural gas to Pakistan, India, and by Central Asia pipeline, you can send more, sell more. You can get more. We want to strengthen our cooperation, enlarge our cooperation. So in the future, I think the mutual relationship will be more strengthened. I think our experts, both from Turkmenistan and from China, they have better understanding. They can try their best to find a way to do that. And for me, this is my first time to be in Turkmenistan. I love Ashgabat. It's a white city, very beautiful, and Caspian Sea here, Turkmenbashi, very beautiful.